Okay, guys, we are doing the last area lesson of Moby Max. Find the area of a rectangle with fractional lengths. All right, so you know how to calculate the area of a rectangle, but this time we're going to be
the fraction of a number.
Let's just get rid of that because you don't need to hear that. You'll hear it on yours. So 2/5 of 10 was what they were showing us. Oh, okay, so we have two fractional lengths. Okay, so very simply put, when you multiply fractions, it's numerator times numerator, so 2 times 1 is 2, and it's denominator times denominator, so it's 5 times 3. 2 over 15. Now this right here, if this cannot be simplified, then you're good to go, and you can just put 2/15. However, if it can be simplified, it's most likely going to ask you to simplify. So let's see what it says here. 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 4 is 8. But this one says inches, and this one says inches squared. So remember that area is always squared. Okay? Two-thirds times 5/6. Can't even talk right now, sorry. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 6 is 18. This is the one that has centimeters squared, so please be careful. I thought that I clicked that again, sorry. 3 times 7 is 21. 5 times 8 is 40. I don't know why they always put the answer on this side. This one is the one that's squared. They do not have anything in common. 1, 3, 7, 21. And now we're in our 5 problems. So we have to do 1 times 3, which is 3, slash, and then 4 times 8, which is 32. 3 and 32 do not have anything in common. 4 times 3 is 12, slash, 6 times 5, the denominators, is 30. Now, this is where they do have something in common, okay? So I think you can still see me. If not, I'm going to feel pretty silly. But I'm pretty sure that even though I'm presenting, you can still see me, right? Depending on your grid. So 12 over 30. They both have, let's see, let's try to pick the highest number that they have in common because that's less work for us actually if we can figure it out. Now, it's tempting to pick 2 because they're both even numbers, but you could do better than that. You could try 6. 6 is higher, but 6 could go into both. Can we do better than that? I don't think so. So let's try it. If I divide by 6 and I divide by 6, I'm going to get 2 over 15. So, oh man, I think I need a break. 30 divided by 6 is 5. So I should actually have 2/5. So I'm going to change this answer to 2/5. I'm really curious if I put the unsimplified version there. I'm really curious as to whether or not it was going to accept it. So I think that if the next one can be simplified, I'm going to put the answer because I really want to see if it's going to make us simplify. So 2 times 3 is, like, look, take a look at the numerators. 2 times 3 is 6. Denominator, 3 times 6 is 18. Now this can be simplified because 18 divided by 6 is 3. Let's see if they take it though. Ooh, they do take it. Interesting. Okay, well, that's less work for us, right? Okay, 1 times 3 is 3. 7 times 4 is 28. Last one, this was quick. 2 times 1 is 2, slash, 8 times 5 is 40. I highly recommend playing those math games where you have to know your multiplication tables If you play them as often as possible and you start memorizing multiplication facts, it's going to help you a lot in your older math, grade 7, grade 8, and high school. Knowing you'd be surprised how much knowing your multiplication facts would help you. So that's it, folks. We actually finished all of the moby lessons for area. Again, if you need any help, please just let me know.